Okay, someone in South Korea just casually had a Galaxy Z Fold 8 wide prototype sitting on a table, and people noticed. These aren't renders, these aren't CAD leaks, this is a working unit out in the open, caught on camera. And Ice Universe just put it in front of the whole world. Here's what we're looking at. Two photos. The first one, the phone flat on a table, side profile visible. Right away you can see this is not your typical Galaxy Fold. It's shorter, it's wider, the whole silhouette is different from every Fold that came before it. Second photo, someone's holding it back facing the camera, and that camera island immediately jumps out. It's strikingly similar to the Galaxy S25 Edge. Same slim island look, two sensors sitting on it, LED flash placed right beside it. Not three cameras, not four, just two. Clean and simple. Just to be clear on naming, this device, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide, is launching as the Galaxy Z Fold 8, not the Wide, just Fold 8. The phone you used to call the Fold 8 is now the Fold 8 Ultra. Samsung flipped it. So when we say Fold 8, we mean this wide one right here. Folded, this phone feels compact, passport-sized, pocketable, a cover screen that behaves like a normal phone. Unfold it, and you're suddenly holding a mini tablet. The wider aspect ratio is built for entertainment, gaming, streaming, video. It's a fundamentally different way to use a foldable. Let's get into the numbers. Main display is 7.6 inches, dynamic AMOLED 120 Hz. Cover screen is 5.4 inches, same panel tech, same refresh rate. Dimensions, unfolded, 123.9 by 161.4 by just 4.9 millimeters thin. Folded, 123.9 by 82.2 by 9.8 millimeters. Chip is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy. RAM options are 12 gigabytes or 16 gigabytes. Storage goes 256, 512, or 1 terabyte. On the back, 200 megapixel main camera, 50 megapixel ultra wide, and no telephoto. Battery is approximately 4,800 milliamp hours with 25 to 45 watt fast charging. Expected price, somewhere between $1,800 and $2,000. Samsung's Unpacked event is expected on July 22nd in London. The Fold 8, Fold 8 Ultra, and Flip 8 all go official that day. Samsung is also expected to reveal intelligent eyewear and 3 new Galaxy Watch models at the same event. Real prototype, real images, shorter, wider design confirmed. First time seeing this design in the real world? Does it change how you feel about the Fold 8? Tell me in the comments. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next leak drops. Peace out.